Hi, welcome back to my channel. I kind of started YouTube off with friendship bracelets, and to keep that going, as a lot of y'all have requested to see more bracelet vids, I'll be sharing a square knot slash cobra slash bridge slash whatever you want to call it friendship bracelet tutorial. Enjoy! You'll want two colors with each measuring at almost 48 inches. Since I'm tripling my string to form a bit of a thicker bracelet, I'll use 3 strands per color. Gather all your string and fold it in half. Tie a knot in the center to form a loop. Tape this down on a flat surface to work on. Now separate the string so half of a color is in the center and the other half is on either the left or right. For instance, I have 3 blue strands on the right and 3 blue strands in the center. Tape down the bottom of the center strands fairly tight. Now I want to take the color on the left and cross it over to make a 4 shape. Keep it under the second color. Next, take the color on the right and pull it under the center strands and through this loop. Pull this tightly to form the first knot. Next, you want to take the color on the right and cross it over to make a backwards 4 shape. Keep it under the second color. Next, take the color on the left and pull it under the middle strands and through this loop. Pull tightly to form the second knot. Repeat these steps all the way down your bracelet. If you ever forget which side to cross over, remember that it will always be the same color. For instance, I'm always making a 4 with the beige. At the end, make a knot and remove the tape. The final pattern looks like this, and if you're looking to make the bracelet adjustable, click the eye in the corner to check out the simple tutorial. So that's all for this video. I really hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I also have a playlist with a few other friendship bracelet videos if you'd like to check that out. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!